वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल नीलू's क्लासरूम और कुछ नया सीखें। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल नीलू's क्लासरूम। तो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी essay on Christmas. Christmas means feast day of Christ. It is celebrated on 25th December every year. This festival commemorates the birth of Jesus Christ, the Messiah of God. It is a well-known Christian holiday celebrated the world over and famed for its decorations and Santa Claus. Preparation for Christmas start early for most people so that celebrations begin on the eve of Christmas. People usually buy decorations, food and gifts mostly for children in the family and friends. A Christmas tree is an artificial pine tree which is decorated with lights, artificial stars, flowers, toys and bells all over it. The Christmas tree brings the Christmas spirit in homes. Churches are decorated with lights during Christmas and people hang star lanterns outdoors to mark the onset of the festive season. Homemade traditional cakes and muffins are the special treats for Christmas. Kids sing carols like jingle bell, jingle all the way and are especially enthusiastic about Christmas as they expect Santa Claus to visit them and bring gifts to their homes on the night of Christmas Eve. Christmas reminds us for the importance of giving and sharing, living in peace and harmony with our family and friends. It is such a festival which people from all celebrate worldwide despite it being a Christian festival.